Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make sea moss gel at home using an easy method. First, you'll want to thoroughly clean your raw sea moss. Rinse it under cool, running water for several minutes to remove any ocean debris or impurities. Next, place the cleaned sea moss into a large bowl and completely submerge it with filtered water. Let it soak for at least 6 to 12 hours, or even overnight. You'll notice it expands quite a bit, becoming soft and gelatinous. Once your sea moss has soaked sufficiently, drain off the soaking water completely. Transfer the now soft and expanded sea moss into a high-speed blender. Add 1 to 2 cups of fresh, filtered water to the blender. The amount of water depends on your desired gel consistency. Blend on high for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until it transforms into a smooth, creamy, and uniform gel. Ensure there are no lumps remaining. After blending, carefully pour your freshly made sea moss gel into a clean, airtight glass jar. It's crucial to store the gel in the refrigerator right away to maintain its freshness and potency. When stored correctly, your homemade sea moss gel will remain good for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Always remember to use a clean spoon each time you scoop out the gel to avoid introducing any bacteria and prolong its shelf life. Sea moss gel is incredibly versatile. You can easily incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons into your daily smoothies or juices for a nutritional boost. It also blends seamlessly into your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or even applesauce. For cooking, it acts as a fantastic natural thickener in soups, stews, and sauces. Beyond consumption, you can even apply a thin layer to your face as a hydrating mask for about 20 minutes, then rinse off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.